Hello, dear viewers. Today, we invite you to explore the magnificent world of Bratkartoffeln, a pride of German cuisine and an essential on breakfast tables. If you're ready, let's embark on a journey into the enchanting alchemy of this elegant dish. Bratkartoffeln begins with the enchanting dance of potatoes. Thinly sliced potatoes form the foundation of this delicious dish. Let's discover together the mysterious dance of German cuisine. The softness of Bratkartoffeln is shaped by the delicate touch of salt and the harmony of various spices. Each slice reaches the pinnacle of flavor, revealing the secrets of this culinary masterpiece. Bratkartoffeln unveils the secrets of the pan through the perfect cooking process. Potato slices are gently fried until they achieve a golden brown color, ready to explode with flavor. The elegance of Bratkartoffeln is revealed during serving time. This refined flavor is presented on your table with fresh greens and additional flavors. It will add both visual appeal and taste to your dining experience. Here we are, the end of Bratkartoffeln's German magic. I hope this video helped you get to know this classic flavor of German cuisine better. Enjoy your meal and enjoy the elegant alchemy of Bratkartoffeln on your tables. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video if you liked it, and comment your opinions. See you in the next video.